Let's walk out here and see how the Mike's doing today. I worked on it a little bit. This don't work. If it starts cutting out, testing 1, 2, 3. If it starts cutting out this time, we'll just order another lav mic. It shouldn't, but we'll see. I'm looking for some beets to see if they come up a little. Yes, sir, I see 1 or 2 down there. They're little red things when they come up, but I do see one. So they're germinating. They surely are. That's something germinating we don't want. Yeah, their beets is coming up. If we can keep them alive now. Taters, they're not up yet. It'll be a while on them, I'd say. Onions. There's one that's come out of the ground for some reason. Let me guess. A cat or a bird? A cat bird. Corn. Don't see any corn up. A little early for the corn. Tell you what though, when this sun pops out, starts warming this ground back, that corn will come out of there. I would assume. Tomatoes is doing all right. No them yet. Got some asparagus. Asparagus patch is about shot due to the Johnson grass and the weeds. So what we may have to do is order some more asparagus and make another patch. I don't see no tater bugs so far after we... There's one. There was one. So when this rain gets over, we'll need to spray these taters a little more. Garlic scapes. Starting to put some scapes on. They're good. I like to eat them. They'll be up in a day or so, big enough to get a good mess or two off of what little garlic we've got now. Next year I hope we'll have more. Taters plants in pretty good shape. Pretty good shape. Okay. I'm gonna go in the greenhouse. Check the plants again. See if you can hear me in here. I'd say I'll be cutting out in this greenhouse. Whew, foggy glasses. Cucumbers is up good, okra's up good, peppers is done good, tomatoes is good. Got some zucchini coming up. Got some more different type of cucumbers coming up. Still a little, they're doing good. Need to get some more things planted though. That's for sure, because we need to stick them in every corner around here that we've got. Yeah. I thought I saw some buds coming out on this fig. Yeah, right here, a little leaf. It might make it. This one over here died. It seems like every so often they get a blight or something and down they go. So, whatever that is, I have no clue what that is. Some kind of something we don't want. Anyway, let's see if the mic worked. If it didn't, well, that frog scared me. If it don't work, we'll order a Rode or a Senko mic, and that'll be it.